Hello, today I've got a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. This one is loaded. Very good features. Going to go over some of them with you right now. This one is the Iridescent Pearl Tricoat. Of course, you can see it does have your forward parking assist sensors on there. This one can park itself with some assistance from the brake and accelerator pedal. Your front camera. These have been on major microchip issues getting these in. This is one of our first 22s that we've got in since August of this year, so they have been slow to come in, but we do have this one in here. Have another one as well. I'll most likely go over that one as well. There's your rear sensors. And of course your camera. Premiers all have power adjustable lift gates. You can program the height with this button up here. As long as you're in 3/4 view. You just put it to where you want to go and hold this down. And it'll stop at that if it's set up for 3/4 view. This one does have the cargo liner. Nice thing about the LT and up models, these seats have access. You can lay the seats down from back here as well. Well, that one's kind of stiff. We just put these liners in there. Pretty nice. Another great thing about the Equinox is right here. You have added storage down here. The spare is actually located behind this little piece. It does have roadside assistance. I'll put that below. 800 Chev USA. We'll go ahead and go around to the back. Just to show you right in here, your outboard seats in the back are heated, and you actually can do your back and your bottom or just your back. You got some nice charging ports there for the people in the back. You do have your rear vents. LT and up, you're going to get this armrest in the back. Step around. So you can see this one does have the Bose stereo. Power seat even on the front passenger side. There's your parking assist button, your sensor button that turns those sensors on and off, and your all-wheel drive system. That will engage the all-wheel drive when you just do this. Turn orange for on. Your electronic parking brake. Little storage area with a fancy light. Super nice. I'll just step around. There's another camera, part of that surround vision. This one is equipped with the panoramic sunroof. Very nice. Another good view of the front. I'll go inside of this jewel. And this interior is called Jet Black with maple. All Equinoxes are known to have this black edging ever since they built them. This is like the maple. Definitely recommend seeing it in person. There's your lift gate. That's your max and the 3/4 I was going over earlier in the video. There's your memory seat location. Of course, your power locks and mirrors and all that good stuff. Squeeze the camera in there. There's your instrument panel dimmer. Lights, fog lights are right there. This one has what's called IntelliBeam headlamps. That's the button that actually turns those on and off. This is great. Forward collision alert. Gap simply means how far you got before you hit another car. I'd always leave it on the top one. Heated steering wheel's here. Lane departure warning is there. The blind zone alerts in the mirrors. You can see right there. That's right. Well, it's right there. It's hard to tell. These are the 1.5 engine in it, 1.5 turbo. Driver information center is really big, right in the center here. These buttons control that. So you can see all the pages it has of all the information. It's really handy. Your navigation shows up there, your calls. If you've got your phone paired, it shows up there as well. This model does have the navigation system on there as well. You can do it by just speaking into it, the point of interest, anything you want. You can change the display of the map, how you want it to be. I'll just change it to 2. See how it's just changing? You can change it how you want. What's to show on the maps, if you want to go on here. You can pick what areas you want to show. Let's just say restaurants, because I know we got a bunch of restaurants around here. So as you can see, all the little fork and knives come up. If you touch any of one of those, it'll show you what they're serving, give you the number, driving directions. Pretty cool. Zoom out, it'll show them all to you. There's quite a bit. Go back out of here. I don't know why, I just like this camera. Leave in the comments if you like the camera or not. This is going to be, you can shuffle these cameras around, zoom on certain areas, see how close you are to hitting something. Super fancy. You can check if you're going to curb your tire and wheel. You can zoom down on the trailering package. If equipped, this one does 3,500 pounds. If it's equipped, down below, yay. You got one of these bad boys in there now, so you can turn the auto stop on and off with the touch of a button. Has the ventilated seats on the driver and front passenger, as well as the heated seats. Of course, all your climate control is there. Pretty easy to use. I'll go ahead and open this sweet sunroof up. This is a button that will slide this panel here all the way back. Just look at it. And then the button to open it is right now. What's nice about this, it actually stacks on the other piece of glass, so it's not really obstructed any more than it would be when it's closed. But that's pretty daggone sweet. Nice. I'll go ahead and shut that. This does come with 3 months of Sirius XM radio. Also comes with 30 days of OnStar trial plan. A lot of goodies on this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Any questions on this one, leave me a comment. Buywithbenny.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.